You won't believe what this hidden ingredient is doing to your body. One of the most harmful substances in our food isn't cooking oil or sugar. It's an ingredient that silently sneaks into many everyday meals, posing risks far greater than we realize. This compound is so dangerous that it's been classified as a carcinogen, a cancer-causing substance. Experiments conducted on rats. Experts believe it can also trigger cancer in humans, particularly damaging the nervous system, brain, and reproductive health. This toxic compound, called acrylamide, is formed when certain foods are cooked at high temperatures. Despite being virtually invisible, its effects on health are profound. Even organizations like the EPA and international cancer associations have warned people to minimize exposure to it. In this video, I'll walk you through the basics of acrylamide, what it is, how it forms, and its harmful effects. I'll also share strategies to protect yourself by reducing its presence in your diet. What is acrylamide and how does it form? Acrylamide is a chemical that forms when foods rich in asparagine, an amino acid, are cooked with sugars like glucose at high temperatures, typically above 120 degrees Celsius, 248 degrees Fahrenheit. This process, known as the Maillard reaction, is what gives fried, roasted, and baked foods their golden brown color and distinct flavor. However, this reaction also produces harmful byproducts like acrylamide. Even worse, acrylamide undergoes further reactions in the body to form glycitamide, a compound proven to damage DNA and increase the risk of cancer. The risk skyrockets when starchy foods like potatoes, refined sugar, and grains are cooked using high-heat methods such as frying or roasting. Foods that contain acrylamide. Acrylamide is alarmingly common in many processed and fried foods. Here's a list of culprits: snacks, potato chips, nachos, and corn chips; fast food, French fries, onion rings, and fried chicken baked goods; biscuits, cookies, crackers, and bread; breakfast cereals, many popular boxed cereals; processed foods, ultra-processed snacks and meals. Even foods marketed as healthier options can contain acrylamide, especially if they're fried or roasted. Why should you worry about acrylamide? Cancer is the second leading cause of death worldwide, and acrylamide exposure could be a key factor. Studies show that acrylamide increases cancer risk. By damaging DNA, it accelerates cancerous cell growth, harms the nervous system, it can impair brain function and lead to neurological issues over time, impacts reproductive health. Acrylamide has been linked to reduced fertility and hormonal imbalances. To make matters worse, most processed foods consumed today, especially by teenagers, are packed with acrylamide. Current data reveals teenagers get 67% of their calories from ultra-processed foods. Adults derive over 50% of their caloric intake from the same. Even small children consume nearly half of their daily calories from processed foods. How to reduce acrylamide in your diet. The good news: you can take steps to minimize acrylamide exposure. Switch to stable cooking oils. Use saturated fats like coconut oil, butter, or beef tallow for cooking. These fats are more stable at high temperatures and produce fewer harmful chemicals compared to seed oils. Replace refined sugars. Substitute refined sugar, high-fructose corn syrup, and artificial sweeteners with natural options like honey or dates. These don't trigger harmful chemical reactions when heated. Cook at lower temperatures. Avoid frying or roasting foods at excessively high heat. Opt for slower cooking methods, such as steaming or baking at lower temperatures, to reduce acrylamide formation. Focus on whole foods. Incorporate more unprocessed, natural foods into your diet. Whole foods like fresh fruits, vegetables, and grains in their natural state don't contain the chemicals found in processed items. Neutralize harmful effects with greens. Eat meals with salads and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, and kale. These contain protective compounds that reduce the effects of acrylamide. Vitamin C-rich foods like bell peppers, tomatoes, and lemons can also help counteract its impact. Drinking green tea provides antioxidants that combat damage caused by acrylamide. Pair junk food with protective foods. If you occasionally indulge in fast food or snacks, eat them with nutrient-rich items like salads or raw vegetables. These help neutralize the negative effects. Take charge of your health today. Share this knowledge with others and protect your loved ones from hidden dangers in their diet. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.